If you're someone that suffers with headache, stiff or sore neck, or you feel like your head is just too heavy for your neck to hold, then this short video is for you. This explains why you might be feeling like that and helps you understand some of the key anatomical perspectives so that you can start to implement some changes yourself to assist in progressing forward and overcoming some of these challenges that you might be going through at the moment. So to cover it off, first of all, let's get into roughly how much a head weighs, and this will surprise you. So here I've got a bowling ball. Now a bowling ball is gives you an idea of how much a head weighs. So this bowling ball here, which is approximately 6 kilograms or give or take 12 pounds there, give or take, that's approximately the weight of a human head. It's really quite heavy. It's taking a lot of strength in my arms to hold that up. So given that that's the actual weight of your head, then it might help you understand why we sometimes feel like our head gets too heavy and it just feels like your neck can't bear it. But what about the people that don't feel like their neck's too heavy, that are functioning and they just have no idea that their head might weigh anything nearly as heavy as this? Well, there must be a reason why, if you're starting to feel that weight come down and you're getting increasingly more headaches and sore neck, why this might be, why the weight of this in conjunction with the function and structure of your neck may be leading to that poor outcome. Let's get into it. So when we look at the neck, we're actually dealing with really little bones. If you look here, you see the bones of the neck are actually really quite small. This is a 1-to-1 life-size neck model, and the bones are really small. Well, relatively speaking to the actual weight of a bowling ball and the weight of a head, those bones are incredibly small. It's why that I've often referred to the analogy of it's a bowling ball and a toothpick. So in order for the head, the bowling ball, to be well supported and held by the toothpick, the bones of the neck, you need to have a well-structured neck to hold that up. See, you can't build a house with poor supports. You can't have poor stumps into the earth and expect that house over a long period of time to remain upright and functioning. It's the same with this area of the body. We can't expect to carry the weight of our head over the duration of our life if the structure and function of the support, being the neck, isn't correct. So what goes wrong? Well, what goes wrong is that when we are from the side here, the weight of our head is much better carried if we have a curve in our neck, a curve like that direction like so. If we start to straighten, or if we have a curve in the bones which are going that way, it pulls our head forward. And that makes the weight of your head exponentially heavier. The weight of that bowling ball analogy exponentially heavier for the small bones of the neck to hold. Then if the bones of the neck over time, you add time into the equation, day in, day out, month to year and decades, then the structure, as it straightens or goes the reverse direction, it can't hold the weight of the head adequately. And so the common symptoms you may be feeling are headache, stiffness and soreness in the neck, a feeling like your head is too heavy for the actual neck, which it effectively is, and it starts to affect your life in many ways. So what can you actually do about that? Well, what you can do about it is, first of all, having watched what I've just spoken about, understand that you need to have a curve in your neck. Think about your life. Think about what are the things that you're doing in your daily life which potentially reverse your neck curve, bring your head forward. I'll just list some common ones. Computers and sitting there all day. Sitting looking at a computer screen that is at the wrong height all day with your eyes somewhat pointed down. Over time, straightening and reversal of the neck curve. Sitting in a car driving for a long period of time, regularly. You're sitting in the car and your head's not against the cushion at the back and it's forward, straightening of the neck curve or reversal of the neck curve. Looking down with poor posture all the time because of occupation, such as always having to look down at a workspace in front of you and not taking adequate breaks and rest, and not working in your downtime on re-establishing neck curve, straightening or reversal of your neck curve. These are just 3 examples, and there are many more. We can have other factors such as trauma. Whiplash accidents is an example, where the actual traumatic input of forces contributes really to a loss of integrity and a loss of curve in the neck and starting to straighten and reverse. The net effect of all this is a really detrimental effect on your quality of life, your ability to hold the head up, your ability to concentrate, and the likelihood of having headaches. So I hope this video has helped you understand the analogy of the bowling ball and the toothpick, and helped you understand that we need to have a curve in our neck. And you can only really tell if you've got a curve in the neck with an X-ray for certain. You need to have a good curve in your neck in the right direction over time to hold the weight of your head adequately, or else you're at risk of a decline, a premature decline. I hope this video has been useful to you, and I hope that the contents resonate with you and you get something out of it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I will endeavour to get back to you with some information, clarification or answers. Thanks for watching.